Hi everyone. I'm so glad you all are here. Thank you for joining in. We will wait for a few more minutes so everybody can join in. Okay. I can see people are coming. Hi Vandana. Hi Shruti. Hi Sultana. Thank you. Hello. I'm so glad you all are here to learn something new today. Hi Aparna. Keep sending some hearts and keep sending some hi so I can see you all are here to learn something new. As you know, we are going to make macrame today. We are going to make keychains. I'm so excited to make art together with you. Hi Dreamy Crafts and Art. Okay, we will wait for another 1 to 2 minutes, then we will start. Okay. So first of all, thank you for joining in to Fiji Arts and Craft Insta Live with me, Akanksha Jasuja. I'm from Rajasthan and I'm a dream catcher and macrame artist. Okay, maybe many of you have visited my profile, my Instagram handle when Fiji Art and Craft posted the poster of today's Insta Live. So I'm here to help you with all your macrame queries or anything you want to know about macrame. Okay, you can ask me. Okay, and we will start in another 1 minute. Okay, so today I'm going to show you what we are going to create today. So we are going to make this cute feather keychain. Okay, as everybody can see, this is little mini cute feather keychain, and this is cotton thread, so it is made super soft. It is made out of super soft macrame cord. So when you feel these are the fringes, so you can feel the soothing vibes. It looks so pretty and adorable. So I have also made in white also. This is off-white color. Okay, so you can make it in any shape. Okay, I have made it this one in heart shape and this is feather shape. So choose any color you like and choose any shape you like. Okay, and for the inspiration you can directly go into your gardens and watch your leaves grown in the garden and pick the shape, pick any leaf you want to make the keychain. Okay, so these are all inspired from nature. So nature has so many beautiful leaves. You can make monstera leaves as well in the keychains, and so many options. Thank you all for joining in. Thank you. Okay, so first of all I'll show you all that what material we will need for this keychain. Okay, you can use old or new keyring. Okay, you can use the only ring also, or you can use these keyrings. Okay, anything you find lying in your home. Okay, if you have only these rings, you can also make on this like this. Okay, so right now I have this keyring available with me, so I'm going to make on this one. Okay, so I'm going to make this lilac color feather keyring. This is very pretty color, lilac. Okay, this is pink and purple tone. So for this we need a keyring and the cords. Also for making this shape, if you are a beginner, you need to make this proper shape, so we need a pen and pencil. So we can draw it on the paper first, that what shape you need we will make on paper, and then we will cut it. So we need a scissor also and some tape to hold our keychain. Any tape will work, and we need comb. okay, fine tooth comb. It has fine tooth bristles, okay, so I can comb it easily. Thank you for sending hearts. Keep sending hearts, it gives me a lot of inspiration, so thank you so much. Also I want to show you, I also made these cute rainbow keyrings. You can see how pretty are these. Rainbows are for hopes, so these are also very beautiful. You can use them as keyring or bag tags, okay, or there are so many options used for your keys. Put in your car keys or Almira keys, so there are so many options. You can also directly keep them to your study table, okay, for some color blast, because due to lockdown we are all dealing with mental stress, so we need some inspiration, we need something that feels us happy, so we need colors around us, so they inspire us and make us feel happy, okay. So thank you so much. Thank you, Dreamy Craft and Arts. I'm reading all the comments, so please keep dropping your comments, okay. So basically we need 1, 2 and 3, this is 4, main 4 things, okay. If you are good at directly cutting shapes, no problem, otherwise just pencil and paper also you require to draw on paper, and then we will cut it, okay. So let's begin. Thank you so much. Also, this is my handle, Dreamers Dreamland. Everybody has checked it out. I'll also pin it here, okay. My name is Akanksha. Just give me 1 second, so I'll just pin my Insta handle here. Okay, thank you everyone. I'm trying to pin it, so please wait for a minute. Okay, so I don't know, yeah, pinned. Thank you. Okay, so let's begin. If you don't have these macrame cord right now with you, you can also use wool or jute string, the sutli one, jute string, okay, or wool, or any thick cord lying at your home, okay. This is thick, this is 3 mm cord. So first of all, I'll introduce you with the cord. This is macrame cord. This is made this is made of cotton, 100% cotton, no polyester mix or no nylon mix, okay. This is called single strand. This is called single strand because all these threads, it has multiple threads inside this one cord, okay, and this has multiple strands inside it, and all strands are twisted in one direction, okay. As you can see, it has no texture. All the strings are rolled in this direction, single one direction, okay. So that's why this is called one single strand, one ply. So whenever you have to make these fringes thing in your wall hangings, your purses, your earrings, anything, so we use this one single strand, okay, and the thickness is 3 mm, okay. So I'll also show you with my back camera. I'll switch my camera. So okay, I'll repeat one more time. You can use wool or you can use jute string, okay. The only thing with the wool is wool won't open, okay. हम wool को खोल नहीं सकते हैं, but the thing with the macrame, हम इसको open कर सकते हैं. That's why these are best for macrame projects, okay. And if you are making with me, then it's perfect. If you are not making, then no problem. I'll wait for your creations, okay. Just watch the live now and make it later and send me your pictures whenever you make it. Okay, thank you. So now I'll switch my camera so you can view my work table. Okay, so I'll just okay guys, so I need to just make it just hang in there. So just a minute. Okay, so do let me know if my view is clear to you and you can easily see it. Also do let me know if my voice is clear and audible to you. Okay, I hope you can see it clearly now. Also, so I'm going to work here, so I won't be able to read your comments, so but you can comment all the queries and I'll answer all the queries later after the session is completed. Thank you so much guys. I'll answer all the queries at the end of the class. Thank you Namrita for loving my dream catchers. Thank you Diaries of Dhanya. Okay, so I'm putting these aside. So this is the cord. Now you can see this is single strand. Okay, so when I roll it in one direction towards me, so you can see multiple strands come out very easily. Okay, so it has multiple strands. Okay, okay, so first of all I'll take the keychain and I will take the length. So I'll take the length of the keychain according to me, that how long I want the keychain. Okay, so I want to be my keychain this much length, but I am taking little longer because at the end we will going to cut it, so we need little extra. Okay, so take 20 or 30 inches, because when you take this much length we will fold it in half. Okay, like this we folded it in half. Okay, so don't worry if you take little longer, we will going to cut the ends. Okay, so first of all we will take this loop. Okay, and we go through from this one, the loop, and we open this loop and we take these two open ends from this loop side and pull it towards us. Pull one by one so that it is fully tight. Okay, like this you can see it is fully tight now. So if you want to add beads also, like in this one I haven't added bead, you can also add wooden bead if you want. Okay, at the beginning of this you can add bead here. Directly from these two ends take out the bead and keep it here, and then we will start. But right now I'm directly making this one. So here we need to put some tape so that while we working on it, this keychain won't move. I'll take some tape and I put it like this here. Okay, so now I'll take the cord and I keep it like this in horizontal way. We will keep it like this and we will take that according to yourself. Okay, there is no measurement, you can take any much amount. So I'm going to take this much and I'm going to cut it from here like this much. So now I'm going to use this one on one side. I'm going to fold it in half and I put it like this, so I will know that how much length I have. So this is the perfect size. Okay, so you can measure like this, hold in your 2 fingers and put it like this and measure that it should be more than your palm. Okay, so it's coming to my wrist. So I keep it like this. So I'll cut 10 of these of this length. I'll cut 10 more strands like this. You measure all, hold it and keep rolling it. We will cut in the last. You can make as much as big you like, or you can make smaller one. Okay, so I'm going to count them. These are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 9 and this is 10. Okay, so I'm going to cut it right here, putting the cord side, and now I'm going to cut all the 10 strands. Okay, cut from both sides. So we have equal 10 strands. Okay, so now you can see we have 10 strands with us. So 5 will become on the left side and 5 on the right side. Okay, so firstly take one strand. This is one. Now I fold it in half like this. Now I put this loop below these two. Okay, like this. Got my point? I put this loop below these two like this. Okay, so now I will take another cord. Similarly, I fold it in half again, and then I take this, the loop, and I take these two open ends from this loop. Okay, like this. I take out my fingers. These two loops come out from, open ends come out from the loop, and then I take these two open ends from this loop, other side of loop. So now we pull both against each other like this, and we take it to the top, and then we pull it tight. So if you pull it tight like this way, both your hands, so there's little space left. So to remove all the space, we will take one by one and we will stretch one by one all the cords. So now I have taken it to the top and there is no gap. So similar way we will add all our strands. I'm repeating the steps, just check one more time. Fold it in half. Okay, now I put this loop under these two like this. I take another cord, make this loop. Now these open ends go out from this loop. Okay, like this, and then we take these two open ends and we go out from this loop. Now we pull it tight and take it to the top. Thank you. Keep sending hearts, guys. It make me happy. I love those cute little hearts. Okay, so I have added 2. We are going to add 3 more. Okay, 5 this side, 5 this side. That is enough for our keychain, because this cord is thicker. If you are using wool is thin, so you will add 10 total, 10 this side, 10 this side, so you have a total 20 cords. Okay, if you are using thinner cord. So always keep in mind that you have these ones should face in one direction. Okay, as you can see, the both one are facing in left direction. Okay, then you will have the perfect keyring stem, the feather stem. This is the leaf, and we are making this the stem of the leaf. So this beautiful design is very necessary to be in shape, so it looks beautiful. So I'm taking it to the top and pulling all strands one by one, repeating the steps. Okay, so one by one I'm tightening all and taking to the top. So I'll just check if anybody is asking me to repeat. Okay, just give me a thumbs up if it's okay till now. Do I need to repeat the step, or you got it? Anybody want me to repeat? Okay, thank you. I'm getting hard, so I'm assuming that you understand this point. Thank you, Namrata. Hi everyone. Okay, so this is the last one I'm adding. If I feel my keychain is short, I will add more. Okay, it's up to you how big or how small you want to make. Okay, so I have added 5. I feel I'll add one more. Okay, so I'll measure it like this, and then I cut it from here. So I cut 2 cords. Now I'm going to add this one also, the last one. You can add the last one little shorter because we are going to cut it. So you can add little shorter or equal to previous one. It's a very easy beginner friendly keychain, and this is so adorable and loved by everybody. Okay, so this is our keychain. Okay, already looking so good, so pretty. The color is so beautiful. So now at this point we need to open these cords. Okay, so I have taken my comb and I'll put my hand onto this so it doesn't move, and I just comb it. So you can see this is single twist. So when I comb it, all the strands come out. Okay, I don't need to put any extra effort to open the strands. I'll just comb it and the strands automatically come out. So you can see little by little the strands are coming out. So just macrame is all about combing and trimming a lot. So the more time we spend on cutting and trimming and combing than making. So now I have combed one side, now I comb another side. Keep combing and you feel so relaxed. And when you trim, you literally feel like you are trimming someone's hair, and it is a so soothing process. Also, if you do macrame, you will be trained at cutting hair. Okay, so you can see the strands are coming out. beautifully. So I also open these below 2 strands. Okay, so I have combed on both sides. Now I flip my keychain. Okay, I will flip. So thank you for sending hearts. Now I'll comb on this side as well. See how beautiful it is already looking. So now I comb it like in this downward direction. Okay, now comb in downward direction, so you get an idea of the shape. So at this point you need to make a leaf shape on paper, and then we put the leaf shape onto this and we trim our outer parts. So I'm not going to make it on paper, I'm directly cutting it. Okay, so I first cut it from below, and you must have the sharp scissor for this trimming. Okay, otherwise your cutting will not look beautiful. So always use a sharp scissor. So like this, I always put your hands so it doesn't move. First of all, I am giving a rough cut. Okay, so I have little feather shape visible with me. Just trim. Okay, so remove the excess and comb it so all the unwanted remaining ones come out. Like you can see, the remaining ones are still there, so we will give it another trim. To get a perfect shape, you need to trim a lot of time. Never expect a perfect trim in 1 or 2 attempts. Okay, so right now I'm giving a rough cut only. Later I'll give a perfect cut to it. As you can see, my table is little slippery, so I am facing little difficulty in cutting. So first I'm going to cut from this side, then I'll flip my keychain. Okay, always for a perfect trim, put your keychain opposite to you, like this way. Then you have a better idea of cutting. So we start from this side, like this. Cutting is so soothing. So this way we will give it some more trims. So this look you will only get with macrame cords. You will never get this effect from jute cord or the wool cord you will use. So see, now I have a nice shape from this side. So now I'll flip it to another side. So you can see only with 6 strands on both sides, 6 on this side, 6 on this side, total 12 we have used. We have a nice medium size feather with us. Cut in any shape you like. So after so many trims, my scissor is also not working very well, so I am unable to cut it. So that's why we need a very sharp scissor for a good trim. Okay, always comb after every trim, so the unwanted, the remaining cords which are hidden inside will come out. You have to do this thing, comb and trim from one side, then flip it, then again comb and trim from another side, and then flip it, so you get a perfect shape from both sides, and all the remaining ones which are hidden inside should be cut. So I'm almost done. Okay, so I'm removing my tape, and now see how beautiful my feather is. With only 12 cords I have made my palm size keychain. Okay, I need to give the shape from this side, otherwise you can see how beautiful and how big it is. See, and see the color, how beautiful is this color. I don't know if you are able to see this color because of the reflection in the light. Okay, it's beautiful, right? Thank you, Shruti. With silk thread, Shruti, you won't be able to make it because silk thread are very thin, so you won't be able to make it with it. Okay, you will take a lot of time if you will go to make with the silk thread. We need to work with little thicker threads, so it will be easy for you as well to work, and it's minimum time consuming. Okay, so now this will stay like this. You can make any shape. Okay, I hope you all love making this cute leaf keychain with me. So now it's Q&A time, so you can all drop your queries, what queries you have, so I will answer it. Okay, so I have this one also with me, so you can see, you can hang it on your bags or put your keys inside it. You can hang it, like use it literally anywhere you like. So now I will switch my camera so I can answer your queries. So give me a second. So okay, just a minute, guys. Okay, yeah, so I'm here in front of you, so now you can ask me anything you like. I would be happy to help you. So I'll just scroll all the questions you have asked me so I can help you with the answers. Thank you everyone. Thank you Richa. I would love to teach you rainbow key rings. You do visit my page as well. It's Dreamers Dreamland. I have pinned it. Okay, and you can DM me anytime for anything. Okay. Thank you. Thank you Diaries of Dhanya, and I hope you all love this session. Thank you for to Feji Art and Craft to help me meet you all. Thank you Namrata. Okay, please keep dropping your queries if you have anything to ask me, otherwise we will wind up the session. I make dream catchers and I do macrame. Okay, I make everything with macrame, so you can check out my page. It's Dreamers Dreamland. You can find so many different things made out of macrame as well. Shruti, not today we are going to make rainbow keychains. At one time we will going to make one keychain, so you will better understand it. Okay, so you don't get confused. So at one time we will learn one thing. For the rainbow one, you can DM me and I'll definitely help you with the workshop. Namrata, we can make a lot of things from macrame. With macrame we make accessories to home decor, and we even make clothes, footwear. So there are so many things made out of macrame. There's no end to macrame. Okay, you can get anything made from macrame, like bracelets, anklets, necklaces, earrings, so many things. Or also macrame is a very easy and meditating art, so it's a yoga to your mind. So when you start doing it, you will feel it and you will just fall in love with it, and it doesn't need any tool. Macrame is a hand knotting process. Okay, macrame, like crochet, we don't need any tool. Or like for knitting, macrame is hand knotting. It means that everything, every product is made from the knots made by our hands. Okay, made by these hands. So it's very easy and everybody, even kids, can learn it. We teach so many kids, like for 6 year to there's no end. Even 60-year people also love to learn this art. So I have so many students like who are also COVID patients, who are cancer survivors or cancer patients. So it's for everyone. Okay, so it's a beginner friendly macrame thing. Everybody can learn it and it's pretty easy. So thank you Shruti. I'm so happy that you like it. Thank you. Okay guys, any query or anything else you want to ask me, just drop it. Richa, you can reach out to me for the cords. Okay, I'll help you. I make kits as well and I have the cords, so I will help you with that. DM me. Okay, thank you so much guys. I love teaching you these cute keychains. Okay, if you make it, please tag me in your creations and tag Feji Art and Craft, tag Dreamers Dreamland, so I'll repost them to my page so everybody can see how beautiful you make the macrame, your first macrame project. Okay, okay, thank you guys. Let's wind up the session, and this will be saved in IGTV. Anytime you want to learn or have a look at this feather keychain, you can always visit Feji Art and Craft Insta handle and watch this live session in the IGTV. Okay, so it's always there to help you. Thank you so much guys for joining in. Do tag me and don't forget to visit my page. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day and please stay safe. Don't go out without any necessity. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.